On October 9th, Chingua College introduced through its official WeChat account that it has made substantial advancements in member-based computing chips, which sustain on-chip discovery. They have actually accomplished the globe's very first completely incorporated chip efficiency in reliable on-chip knowing. Artificial intelligence jobs can be finished straight on the hardware. It is worth stating that this success surpasses what the United States has currently completed, especially taking into consideration the recent financial investment constraints enforced by the United States head of state. On August 9th, Biden authorized an executive order entitled Executive Order on Resolving the Danger from Stocks Investments that Money-Specific Firms of Individuals Republic of China. This executive order develops a system for evaluating foreign investments. It directly restricts United States residential firms that have gotten financial investments from the United States from buying China's semiconductor, microelectronics, expert systems, and quantum information technology industries. Among them, semiconductors and microelectronics are of vital importance. The successful growth of this innovative superchip by Chingua College most certainly shatters the technological blockade enforced by the United States. Naturally, the name of this Mem-Based computing chip is excessively lengthy and highly specialized, making it incomprehensible to anyone outside the area. Now let us introduce the excellent capabilities of this chip. What is a meme? A mem is a sort of non-linear resistor that can alter its resistance value based on the instructions and size of the current or voltage going through it. It can keep the changed resistance worth it even after the power is turned off. This memory impact gives the participant considerable prospective applications in fields such as digital memory and expert systems. Compared to conventional resistors, capacitors, and inductors, participants have several distinct attributes. Its resistance value can differ constantly over a vast array, and it can maintain its state even after power is disconnected, therefore making it ideal for non-volatile memory. It can likewise be used for analog computers and artificial intelligence tasks due to the fact that it can save and refine intricate resistance states. What is integrated storage space and computer? Integrated storage space and computing describe the idea of integrating storage space and computing functionalities with each other. Commonly, storage and computers are different in computer systems. Storage space is utilized to keep data, while the CPU is responsible for handling and assessing the data. Nevertheless, with the increasing volume of information and the need for real-time processing, the idea of integrated storage space and computers has actually arisen. In an integrated storage and computer style, storage space and computing can be carried out within the exact same gadget or system. This integration can provide faster data accessibility and lower latency, given that data does not need to be moved often between storage space and computer components. Furthermore, an integrated storage space and computer architecture offer higher energy effectiveness and decreased physical area demands as they minimize data movement between different elements. The applications of integrated storage and computers are comprehensive in the fields of cloud computing and big information handling. It makes it possible for much more efficient information handling and analysis. In the edge computer and the Internet of Things (IoT) domain name, incorporated storage and computing can speed up real-time data handling and decision-making. Additionally, integrated storage space and computing can be used in expert systems and machine learning jobs to help with faster and much more flexible version training and inference. On-chip understanding is a modern technology that incorporates machine learning formulas with hardware. Traditional makers of formulas typically perform training and reasoning on outside computing devices, while on-chip knowing embeds these formulas within the chip itself, making it possible for the chip to possess knowing and decision-making capabilities. Among the advantages of on-chip learning is that it makes side intelligence possible. Due to issues such as huge data volumes, latency, and privacy worries, traditionally, information is required to be sent to cloud web servers for handling and evaluation. However, by incorporating machine learning algorithms right into the chip, side devices can execute information handling and decision-making locally, consequently preventing the threats of information transfer latency and privacy violations. An additional benefit is energy effectiveness. Typical device finding out formulas often call for significant computational resources and power usage. On-chip learning achieves reliable data handling and intelligent decision-making by installing algorithms right into low-power equipment, therefore lowering energy intake. On-chip discovery is commonly used in areas such as the Web of Things, IoT, smart sensors, embedded systems, and smartphones. As an example, WISE sensors can utilize on-chip learning technology to accomplish real-time information evaluation and decision-making, allowing even more accurate environmental noticing. In equivalent reactions, mobile devices such as mobile phones and clever cameras can also use on-chip learning for functions like recognition, classification, and recommendation. It can be said that this chip has actually totally smashed the technological clog enforced by the USA. As it is popular, according to the United States, for the past century, almost every technical innovation has been led by the USA. As a result of its management of international technical innovation, the USA has enjoyed technological hegemony. It has actually been at the center of the majority of technological domain names, enjoying economic advantages and attracting talent from around the globe. Based upon this leading position, nevertheless, China has actually risen and overtaken surrender. Huawei took care to hold its ground without Google Mobile Services, GMS. Huawei created its own Huawei Mobile Solutions, HMS, and introduced Harmony OS, a competing OS against Android and iOS. Also, without 5G, Huawei launched 4G smartphones and broadened right into varied areas. Although its market share declined, Huawei continued to persevere and venture into industries such as cars, becoming a source of nationwide pride. Later on, the USA thoroughly suppressed China's chip market, intending to lock logic chips at 14 nanometers, DRAM at 18 nanometers, and NAND blinks at 128 layers. Later, Yankee Memory Technologies company Ltd. became the globe's first manufacturer to manufacture 232-layer NAND blink memory. On the other hand, Huawei presented the Kirin 9000 chip, widely believed to be based on a 7-nanometer procedure. Additionally, China has actually attained a self-sufficiency rate of 40% in locally created semiconductor equipment, with some kinds exceeding a self-sufficiency rate of 50%. We are continuously reducing our dependence on foreign devices. From the viewpoint of the United States, by imposing permissions on China's chip industry and blocking chip devices and technologies, they think that China's chip sector would be brought to its knees in a lightning-fast fight. Assuming that China would certainly have little capability to stand up to it, all of a sudden, the lightning-fast battle pictured by the USA turned into a protracted battle. Additionally, in spite of its apparently strong position, the USA failed to obtain the upper hand, while China made advancements in different locations, putting the USA in a tough position. Previously, when the USA suppressed Huawei in an effort to compel its surrender, Huawei managed to withstand the pressure without Google Mobile Services, GMS. Huawei created its very own Huawei Mobile Solutions, HMS, and launched Consistency OS, a direct rival to Android and iPhone. Thanks for enjoying our video. After watching the video clip, what do you consider the growth of contributing to the globe? You can put your opinions and ideas in the comments below. We will go on posting new video clips, so your membership and sort will urge us to create new video clips.